My people, northern elders for Nigeria, they don't vex. Yes, so them say make Buhari comot for that seat when he sit down. Say the insecurity for Nigeria don't too much. So the thing now, don't knock them for head. Knock them like pangolo. So now they don't come outside, come drop their own complaint. No be me talk this one because on a normal day, I go talk say na me. He say I too dey vex. So now I don't see am. In young people, you don't understand. In young people, more like family members, they be tight people. Now they don't come outside, come complain. People where they support them before. Now they don't tire.
You are the spokesperson of the Elders Forum in the North. You're asking the president to resign. Have things come to that point?
Certainly. The facts on the ground support what we say. The president swore on the Quran as president of the Federal Republic of Nigeria to secure the lives of citizens. He has failed to do so over and over and over again. This is his fifth, sixth year in office. The situation under him is getting worse, and there is no indication that it is likely to improve. So what else is there? What else is left other than to ask him that if there is honor in democratic countries, in civilized countries, what leaders who fail to protect citizens, particularly at the scale and the level at which our people are dying, is to resign. Clearly, he has failed in the number one responsibility of a leader, which is to protect citizens. So yes, things have gone, they are worse than this, but we've taken our time to assess the situation. We didn't want to rush to judgment. We wanted to give him a chance. Like everybody says, leadership is very difficult. He's leaving, he has a very challenging responsibility, but 4, 5, 6, 7 years. This same president was saying 2 years before he assumed responsibility, he was saying to Jonathan to step aside and give him all others responsibility to run the country. So he's had a lot of time to study the situation. He's a general. He's the commander-in-chief of the armed forces. He's a military man, so he doesn't have an excuse about not knowing how to fight wars. He put people in charge. They're still in charge. We're losing this war. More internal security challenges are becoming manifest. More people are dying. Every single day, people die in this country. Life, truly, as we said in our statement, life has lost a value. One individual was kidnapped. One American citizen was kidnapped somewhere in Niger or northern Nigeria. The U.S. sent military to Niger Republic, to Nigeria, with the consent of our Nigerian troops. Foreign Americans came into our country and rescued the person. What do you say to a Nigerian president under whom our people are dying? How do you explain what happened in Borno? A failure of security, a failure of leadership? What else do you say other than to say to Mr. President, clearly, you can't secure the lives of Nigerians. And if there is honor, if there is respect for public opinion, really there is no reason why he should go.
Finally, they don't see the light, yo. Yes, their eye don't open, and are they very happy? Yes, because before, if you not know, Buhari been the to say Jonathan in period now in wars pass, say insecurity plenty talk. So now, who get insecurity? Because if you now ask me, the worst person, if I supposed to choose Jonathan and Buhari, Buhari, I'm not going to even think I'm 2 times. Yes, Buhari you now worse. You understand? And now the chief army staff just added salt to the injury. This man don't come finish work. You know what he talk? He open mouth come talk say it is very likely, say terrorism go persist. Like say terrorism go continue for Nigeria for the next 20 years. This man just see, he don't finish work. You don't understand. This man just finished work. Meanwhile, now Buhari himself come outside before they talk to people. Boko Haram has been defeated. Boko Haram has been defeated. Now where the people where they defeat? Not be same people where don't come outside again, come the cause commotion. My people, this thing no fit continue. No, it no fit continue. I don't know if this thing they make una dey vex the way the thing they make me dey vex. I know they joke. I dey tell you, these people, you don't think whether they play with our heads. They just they knock our heads together. See, adults, elders. Finally, because before, Before all these things, I dey wonder whether these people know they see. Abi they know they hear all the news where they go around. But finally, see, make I tell you, my people, when time don't reach for something, it don't reach you, nothing where you won't do. And as it be now, for these elders to come outside, can't talk this thing. Now be say, see, I just dey give una good news. Buhari time don't dey close to the end. Yes, now the matter where I bring una be this. And don't forget now one-on-one TV be this where we dey bring you the latest updates. Now why are they vexed if you never click that notification bell because you no go know the next thing where they happen. No, you understand? Subscribe and drop that comment there. Make I know what you they think for this matter. Make this video go viral. Make sure say you share them. I go see you now later. Some people just decide say they no want to be man na women. My people, for una we no know her name, abi im name na Bobrisky. I just say many of una know am. Na very known man we don't turn to woman. This person now don't come outside. They insult all the girls. He say she go her boyfriend house. I don't know how man they go meet man self. Now she know. She said she go her boyfriend house as they spend the night together with loving and kissing. And so the man just give her 15 million naira cash. Hey! I don't know whether not true. I don't know whether not lie, my people. But video day. So I won't make una see the money.
Those of you that will come to my Snapchat, oh, Bobrisky, he don't have a pussy, he don't have a breast, blah, blah, blah. She get bomb, I get yash. Happy? See, waiting, my pussy will no guess they give me. You that has the pussy, that has the breasts, wait till the pussy give you? Just one night, just a night, 15 million naira. See, I don't go out. I'm a bad bitch. But when I go out for reasonable money. All of you, all these girls that will go out, Snapchat all the whole world, go to all the parties in this Lagos. At the end of the day, you will only come back with just 500k, 200,000. Shame on your pussy.
Una hear wetin she dey talk. Say una wey don dey go. Abi how many of una dey go her Snapchat dey whine this person? She say all of una wey dey tell her say she no get breast, she no get this one. Say una don see wetin the thing wey she no get don bring, but una wey get am na 200k una dey come back with. See, my sister, I be my brother. I don't even know which one to call you. Man, I be woman. But the thing be saying now, you just let us know by yourself, with yourself. Say you be correct akuna. You understand? Yes, because nobody tell you anything. Now you yourself come outside, come they tell us all your secrets. My people see, make una dey very careful with people like all these people where they come online. They can't validate their happiness, their life. they suffer. Now only for internet you go see them because they want show themselves. They know what they want make you see. See, wait I even want tell you self. That money, 15 million naira, keep on. You understand? Because we don't need them. Now you go even need them for Pampers. Keep them. We don't need them. And as for I bet put in picture there because I did show so many people don't even know who I talk about. As for the Lagos government, I be Lagosians, I don't give una, I don't bring una work. 15 million naira a day. So make una go collect tax. You understand? Collect tax because we need give am to NSAS petitioners. At least better people they will go use that money do better thing. You understand now? Now the thing be that. So now, my people, the thing where they pay me now be say, this very person, I be this man, you go get people where they look up to, right? You go get people where they wish to dey like him. But una join for the foolishness because I don't know what thing they here. Una won't be like. I don't talk my mind now. So I still want to know what you think for this matter. Bobrisky. Your name self too risky.